Maybe you don't get success at, maybe you have tried many times, even then you didn't get success at. But let me tell you, it doesn't mean that you are not growing, it doesn't mean that you are not progressing, because whatever work you are doing today consistently, it is building your tomorrow. This is right, it is building your tomorrow. So today I would like to talk very important point, very important topic. My today topic is never give up. So before I start this topic, let me introduce myself. This is Surya, motivational speaker, law of attraction coach, and Hooponopono healer. And I brought three powerful, formulas, you can call it technique, which can stop you to quitting, which can also stop you to give up any particular and essential job and business in your life. So first and foremost, which is really important, if you think that you are not progressing somewhere, if you think that I need to give up, yeah, I need to quit it, so let me tell you, you just remember one thing. Don't try to progress 100% every day, try to progress 1% every day. Yeah, you might have heard correctly, 1% every day. Why? Because you know what, big progress cannot be handled, and you can also not sustain that lifestyle, because it is really happy lifestyle. You are not addicted to that lifestyle. Sometimes situation is very tough, sometimes you go into the very critical situation. In that particular situation, neither you can handle yourself nor you can handle your situation. So I would say that you try to progress every day 1%. 1% progress is really magic. It can create magic, it can create power in your work, in your business. Let me tell you how. Suppose there are 365 days in 1 year. If you progress 1% every day, so how many percentage you will progress in 1 year? 365%. So imagine how big it is, because one small step can be very little, can be seems to be very little. But if you go long way, if you go long run, so you will find that this is really big, this is really big actions, yeah, this is really big improvement and progress in my life. So you remember first rule. What is the second rule? Turn your setback into lesson. Why do I say that, turn your setback into lesson? Why maximum people give up? Why maximum people are quitting their job, their business, and their profession? Do you think that profession is tough? No. Sometimes a lot of problem comes in a bundle way in front of you. In that particular situation, you really don't have an idea how to turn this problem into the pleasure, how to turn this pain into the pleasure, how to turn this setback into the lesson. So at that time, at that case, you give up and you run away. So if there is any problem in your life, if there is any problem, any crisis in your business, don't give up. You try to think. Yeah, you have to think, what can I do next? Yeah, what lesson this problem try to teach me? You find that lesson and you apply those lesson and you turn your setback into the tell me into the lesson. Yeah, that's point. So if you have any problem, you try to find the way, and so that you can turn that into the lesson. And third, before achieve it, you see it. Before you achieve any goal, before you achieve any target and achievement, first you see in your mind, we can call it mental movie. All these successful people, I'm talking in India, I'm talking out of India, I'm talking about entire world. There are so many people, they are very successful, they are multimillionaire, they are successful entrepreneur. What did they do different? Actually, before achieving that success, they have already visualized it, they have already seen that magic in their mind, and because of that, they receive that award, they receive that achievement, yeah, they achieved that reward. So you have to understand, before achieve your goal, first you see in your mind. If you see in your mind, so somewhere you are sending the signal. If you're sending the signal, so the universe will make a plan. Because some great people say that when you make plan, yeah, when you decide to do something, so universe has already made a lot of plan to make that thing possible in your life. And some great people also have told that if you become a student, teacher will automatically appear. If you become a teacher, so a student will automatically appear in front of you. So these three formula can really help you to stop quitting, to stop giving up. Because if you think that this situation and this this scenario cannot let me grow. So let me tell you, no one scenario, no one situation is as powerful as you are. Only you have to handle yourself, and you can grow and you can go wherever you want to go. So thank you for watching my video. Do not forget to subscribe, press bell icon, and also like my video. Thank you so much.